Hey there! Anil has invited his friends to Niagara Falls for an unforgettable birthday party. Some will be meeting after a long time, making this reunion even more special. So, we've got Mohan, Somu, Vani, Tarun and Sakri flying in from the United States. Arora is joining from India, and Saraswat, Harish and Amita are arriving from Canada. Altogether, 10 of us are about to have an amazing time on the Maid of the Mist. But wait, just wondering, how many handshakes will happen among us when we all greet each other? Can you help me figure it out? Alright, let's break it down step by step. First person arrives, no handshake. Second person arrives, 1 handshake. Third person arrives, 2 more handshakes, making a total of 3. Fourth person arrives, 3 more handshakes, making a total of 6. Notice how the pattern grows non-linearly. 0, 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21. The number of handshakes follows a pattern. Each time a new friend arrives, they shake hands with everyone already there, creating an interesting sequence. Now, let's find a general formula to crack this number. If n is the total number of people at the party, the total handshakes are number of people times 1 less than that number divided by 2. Dividing by 2 makes sense because each handshake involves 2 people. So, with 10 friends, we calculate 10 times 9 divided by 2 equals 45 handshakes. This is exactly how breaks down seemingly tricky problems into simple, logical steps. But wait, there's more. Did you know this method also helps in counting diagonals and polygons? A 10-sided polygon or decagon has exactly 45 diagonals using the same formula. By recognizing patterns, students can solve real-world problems faster and smarter. This is what STEM learning is all about. Are you ready to crack the numbers and explore math in a whole new way? It's filled with interactive strategies and creative problem-solving techniques that make learning fun and exciting. Reach out to the author and discover more fun and engaging math challenges. Math isn't just about numbers, it's about finding patterns, solving puzzles, and making learning fun. With the right strategies, anyone can master numbers faster and more efficiently. By recognizing patterns and using structured techniques, students can gain confidence and mastery over math. This is what it's all about. Join the journey of learning and discovery. Contact the author today for more exciting examples and challenges.